Você acha que o Brasil vai ganhar a Copa do Mundo?
Seguro que sim.
Seguro?
Vai ganhar.
Vai ganhar? Ok, but hoje, o Brasil vai ganhar a Copa do Mundo?
Sim. Vinícius Júnior jogando muito bem.
Really?
Eu também, né? Matheus Cunha.
Really? Okay.
Why with the Mexican flag?
My wife is Mexican.
Where are you from?
I'm from Haiti.
Haiti.
Yeah, I'm Haiti. Yeah.
Okay.
And then, all you can rate Brazil today, 1 to 10. All you can rate Brazil, 1, 2, 3.
The first
The first half?
time it was like 8.
8.
The
The
second
second?
5.
5.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah,
I think
they
4.
didn't play anything.
Yeah. Ancelotti is defensive in the second
yeah.
half, but I think it's 4. Because Haiti was great in the second half.
Yeah, it was better.
Yeah. But we love Brazil. We love Brazil.
We love Haiti also.
And, oh, thank you so much. Obrigado.